our roads are packed. In Delhi alone, data shows that there were over 1 crore vehicles on the road in 2018. And this is only going up. Predictions show that transport activity is going to grow 3 or 4-fold in the next few decades. And that is one of the biggest contributors to the air we breathe. Transport is estimated to be responsible for nearly a quarter of global energy-related carbon dioxide. In addition, many other poisonous gases are emitted. When fuel in the car doesn't burn completely, it emits carbon monoxide. The exhaust emits hydrocarbons, a toxic mixture of hydrogen and carbon. When fuel burns, nitrogen and oxygen react to form nitrogen oxides. Sulfur dioxide is also present in motor vehicle emission as a result of fuel combustion. Now, this can affect us in many ways. For example, when hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides combine in sunlight, they produce ozone. This ozone contributes to smog and causes respiratory problems. Cars also emit particulate matter. In Delhi alone, 20% of PM10 and 25% of PM2.5 emissions come from vehicles alone. So try and reduce private vehicle usage. And when you do use it, remember to keep them well maintained, use better fuels and newer technologies. It can all add up to make our cities more livable.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।